is a model DT3 step for a dump truck. Has adjustable legs. By pulling these two pins, we can slide the legs in or out. The step simply comes off by lifting it off. That easy. There's two pins holding this bar on. This is called a pin mounting bar. Put it on. Takes that long to put that step on. I can get in and out of that truck fast and safe. No jumping. The jumping up and jumping down is what tires you out. At the end of the day, the handle comes off. And at the end of the day, on a dump truck, you can just leave that step on. We put a bungee cord, or this guy puts a bungee cord on here and attaches this so it doesn't bounce around. But you can use that step. I mean, you can just store that step on the back of a dump just like that. That's just one way of storing. I'm going to show you other ways when we get into the next truck. Put this either in the truck, or we got brackets to store it on the side of the truck, and we'll get into that whenever we bring the other dump out.